everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for the Paper House Productions. I am using the Great Outdoors Fishing Kit to create a layout. I used that fish that I just showed you. That is a free clip art that I got off of Google, and I just used it as kind of a template to help me create this fish that I'm using as kind of my main focal point of this layout. I decided to document the story of this great big catfish that I caught, and what better way than using a fishing inspired collection. So this collection comes with 9 double-sided 12 by 12 sheets, and I am actually using 3 of the different sheets from that kind of mini kit. It also comes with a 12 by 12 sticker sheet and some 3D stickers, so it really gives you a lot of options to choose from. I do pull in some of the puffy stickers that you see, and those are the Great Outdoors Life Organized stickers. And so I used this blue paper with the anchors on it, and that is the Gone Fishing 12 by 12 paper. On the opposite side, it has this beautiful misty kind of lake background with trees, and it has a boat and a banner that says Gone Fishing. And I loved that misty kind of shadowy effect, so I used that side of the paper as the belly of the fish, and then I used the blue anchor ombre as the back of the fish. I did flip it upside down, so the anchors are upside down, but I think that gives it kind of a cool scale-like quality. And then I'm finishing off my fish using this wood grain and just adding some fins. And the wood grain is also part of the kit. It's the Into the Woods paper. Now this paper here is another one, and it has these awesome little icons, like fishing icons all over it. And I'm just using that to map my photo on, and you can't really see what the icons are, but I feel like it brings in all of the colors from the layout in that one mat. So now here I'm pulling in the 3D stickers, and I'm using a bunch of different ones and just clustering them around my photo because I want that to be the real statement piece, is the picture with the great big fish in it. And I'm going to use the wood grain letter stickers off of the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And I'm going to title this Not Another Fish Tale. And I'm going to change it to the other tail, T-A-L-E, instead of T-A-I-L. I do end up using those little tile stickers that also come on the same sticker sheet for Not Another, just to bring in another pop of color. And these are perfect together. So I'm going to pull in a couple of the stickers. I have these little arrows to bring kind of the orange and the green in the areas where there aren't any yet. I pull in some of the puffy sticker little arrows, again to help move that color around the page. And that's pretty much going to be the end of my layout. So thank you so much for watching. There will be links to the blog post below, which has all of the products that I used and links for the store. So definitely go check that out. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next time. Bye!